Okay, so we're in Sao Paulo ruins, and today we're just gonna just take a walk and just kind of talk about before and after COVID, and what it kind of looks like. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna start here. One of the first things is there's usually people almost everywhere. So like that whole area would be completely filled with people. And actually this would be like almost people almost shoulder to shoulder all up and down this whole street. And you don't really see that at all now. Sometimes in the evening it would kind of clear out a little bit, so it wouldn't be so crazy. I will show some videos of it though, from just so you can see what it was like before. And actually, like even right now, maybe it looks like it's a little bit crowded, like if you look into that a little bit, but actually it's really not anything compared to what it used to be. So basically we're just gonna kind of maybe go back and forth a little bit. So maybe we'll do another strip of exactly what it would look like back when it was in the heyday. And now we're back. Tourists, a ton of people here today. And what I'm going to do today is just walk through this whole crowds of people, so you can kind of see how crazy and crowded it is every day here. And everybody's kind of lined up, taking photos. There's the ruins there. I'm going to walk across this way. So basically today what we're going to do is walk through that crowd, and you'll be amazed how crowded this is in this area. So all this leads up to Sao Paulo ruins, and you have all this kind of stuff behind over here. The yellow, that's the Fortress de Monte, Sao Paulo ruins. And these are just basically apartments that are here residentially. Okay, let's keep walking. So you can see there's people pretty much everywhere. I might even try to flip the camera around and you can see me trying to navigate this crowd. But it's always quite busy. This guy's waiting for his wife probably. And we're gonna... People enjoying, so lots of people enjoy all the different juices and drinks and snacks. Okay, so we're going to try to navigate this crowd. Okay, let's see. Sometimes there's cars that come right up here. There's this museum up that way. Sao Paulo ruins, and basically everybody has their cameras out. There's police over there. I'm just going to walk down the busiest street. So today is Saturday, and it's Saturday evening. So you can get a sense of how crowded it is at this time. So these, see, just gonna get a sample. That's really good. Wow. Spicy. Really spicy, wow. Okay, you see that big mass of crowd of people? We'll be walking through that in a minute. Lots of people carry their suitcases too. There's champagne. It's quite common to see. You see they're selling something here. try another one of these.
一个美丽的童话中，走来一群可爱姑娘，小小的个子，美丽的衣裳，那是拇指姑娘。当歌声无秋离可爱，她和小鸟一起唱。一个浪漫的童话中，跑出一群纯真姑娘，小小的嘴巴，眼睛闪亮，那是拇指姑娘。心灵手巧，智慧聪颖，长着翅膀，快乐飞翔。拇指姑娘，拇指姑娘，拇指姑娘，在神秘的童话中，在幸福的
Could eat these all the
生
way down.
活中。一个美丽的童话中，走来一群可爱姑娘，小小的个子的衣裳，那是拇指姑娘。当歌声无秋离可爱，她和小鸟一起唱。嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩嘀哩。拇指姑娘，在神秘的童话中，在幸福的生活中，一个七彩的童话中，飘出一群调皮姑娘，天真的样子，纯真的心灵，那是拇指姑娘。
有粉有面有飯食嘅有下午茶，優惠套餐有豬扒包18蚊一個頭。有飯有面食嘅。
So I'm gonna show this balloon. Hello, how are you? We're gonna try one of these.
你話你希望我加幾次啦咁啊 ？Hello， 靚仔啊，好魷魚啊，好魷魚。Hello，
Hello.
咁你玩？
Just taking a look.
咁你玩？
Corn and hot dogs.
要揾加錢魷魚㗎。
Only one? There's squid.
好，冇你啊。
And now we're back again, and you can see exactly what it looks like today. So even though this looks a little bit busy, it's really nothing compared to what it was before COVID. So yeah, COVID started in January, Chinese New Year, January 25, something like that, 26. And schools closed around that time. And now we're all just waiting for it to, maybe waiting for it to go back to normal. But it's kind of nice in a lot of ways to have these streets that are nice and spacious again. But the downside is that we can't travel at all. So there's positives and minuses. But there's still, it's not like it's a ghost town at all. There's still people around, but compared to what it was like before, it's really no comparison. Okay, so we're coming up on this little plaza right here. So I'm gonna show a little bit of footage of what this looked like before. And so now it's I'm gonna keep on walking down. lots of commercial things. Nature Republic, so we're outside, of course, but it feels some of these shops are like shopping mall stuff, and other stuff is Nature Republic. Okay, so now we're going to walk through St. Dominic's Church to the right. So we're going to be walking into Senado Square. So we were up by the Sao Paulo ruins, walking down. Usually people walk up, but we're actually going to be walking down. Well, they walk up and they walk back down, so. But actually I came in a different way today, so we walk up from the back side. There's St. Dominic's Church right there. So yeah, I think I remember reading a recent book about Macau a long time ago, and they were basically saying that this is from the author's name is let's go this way. Like way back in colonial days in Portugal, when this was Portuguese, way back when. Well, it wasn't that long ago that it was Portuguese, but. But way back when they would say, oh, Macau is nothing but churches and something else. But it's like churches is always one of the references, and there's quite a few churches around today. But they're more, you know, symbolic and historical than anything. So we're just gonna walk all the way down to the main spot down here, and then I'll turn off the camera. So now it's yeah, again, it's like it was so much more crowded before, right? Like just not even close. Yeah, actually, what's today? Today's Wednesday, I believe. So today it's Wednesday. It's about 8:30, I think, 7:30 maybe. So there's more people than you'd think. It's pretty interesting, actually. So maybe we'll just go a little bit further, but at least you can kind of compare it a little bit by video and just get an idea of what it was like before and what it's like now. See Senado Square. I came down here the other day. So you can see the other one on YouTube as well. So I'm gonna keep creating some content about Macau and see if there's some interest in it. So you can kind of see a little bit of what it's like. This is actually one of the bigger tourist areas, really. I always see people just sitting here, shopping bags of stuff. This one is an alley. Oops, let me see. Okay. The Bible literature over there. Trash can.
Vos no serás capaz de quedarte en casa, hermano. Vos no serás capaz de conectarte ni de marcar el 911. Vos no podrás aspirar cocaína y saltar durante los comerciales de cerveza, porque la revolución no será televisada. La revolución no será televisada, la revolución no será traída a vos por Epson con 4 cartuchos sin interrupciones comerciales. La revolución no mostrará imágenes de Obama soplando una corneta, ni la dirección de un delivery de McDonald's eso de cangreburgers para comer chatarras en un shopping de primera. La revolución no será televisada. La revolución.
Niña, niña.